Welcome back to London, Halloween edition.
I'm not quite sure what's happening.
One of the more unique things we did during Halloween season was at Borough Market. This is a harvest celebration called October Plenty. We had no idea what we were getting into, and we're still not quite sure what happened. But it was fun and definitely something to be sure to go to if you're in London in October.
Okay, so what I can gather is there was a play, they let some lambs loose, they danced around, they caused havoc, then there was a story time, then they killed John Barleycorn, but John Barleycorn came back to life.
Only then they did come down from Kent to plough for wheat and rye, and they made a vow, a solemn vow, John Barleycorn must die.
And now they're stripping the Corn Queen, and they don't know how it started, but they now take everything off the Corn Queen and throw it into the crowd. And the people are so excited.
Every year, we don't know how it began. We strip her and give you the vegetable straws that you see here. In order to do this, it is wonderful if you can give us strong, confident eye contact. So that if we give you anything or throw anything to you, it is your hands that reach for the vegetables.
My favorite part was that they sold the breasts. They auctioned them off, and
Of
they
the
sold
Corn
the
Queen.
left and the right.
Auction off her breasts, okay? What a wonderful pair of breasts they are, lefty and righty. So please, can I see £5 for the Corn Queen's breasts? Can I see £5? So £5, yes, pounds over you. £10. Can I see £15 for her breasts?
Pointed to him like he just got the game-winning ball. Brennan has got a Brussels sprout.
Yeah!
I got a carrot.
Lindsay, thoughts?
This was incredible. This is all I could have ever asked for.
Show me your carrot.
Yeah, we were. It was very fun. Very, very fun. I enjoyed it.
I have no idea what just happened, but I'm loving it.
Halloween is Lindsay's birthday, so it's midnight on Halloween, and Chaz gets home late from work, so we're trying to scare him when he gets home. So we're booby-trapping the hallway so that a pumpkin man comes down with a bunch of beer cans tied to it, makes a lot of noise, and scares him.
Underneath this. Yes.
It's scary. So we have this setup dialed in. Now cans are being tied on.
We have a real trick for Chaz tonight. When he first opens the door, he will be met with the clanging of the beer cans. Then, out of the corner of his eye, you'll see... I touched it. Oh,
We know it works. We know it works. All right, final trial round. We got him!
I was about to say, if anyone's gonna jump out and get me, I'm gonna punch him in the face.
This is our 5th time celebrating Lindsay's birthday and Halloween together. We've puked 4 out of 5 times.
I think.
Make it 100% record tonight.
Please.
God help us this evening. Huge shout out to everyone who has puked with us over the years.
Woo!
You know who you are. It is Samhain. The barrier between the living and the dead is its thinnest tonight.
Correct.
On Lindsay's birthday, she was born in a pumpkin onesie.
That's true.
We're hopping on the tube to go to our first destination. Hopefully it's decorated in Halloween garb. We're gonna have a couple cocktails and then we have a special surprise for Lindsay. Destination number 1, happy hour.
Free shot for fancy dress.
This is Simmons. They have multiple locations around London and an amazing happy hour. We were there right when they opened because we had reservations at the next spot, so we were the only ones there. They had some really cool teapot shared cocktails on their menu, and their beers are only £2.50 on happy hour. They gave us free shots for fancy dress, and they had a few spooky Halloween cocktails on special.
Lindsay, do you know where we're going?
No.
Do you know what we're doing?
I know that I can either use my hands or my feet, or maybe even my mouth. And there's gonna be a...
It's raining. We've made it to the destination. Blondies.
Blondies is a tiny rock and roll music venue and dive bar. It's owned by the coolest Australian sisters. For Halloween, they had a rock and roll pumpkin carving party that only cost £5 per person, including the pumpkin. Lindsay was pretty sad that we couldn't find pumpkins to carve at any grocery stores, so this was the best present we could have surprised her with.
This is so cool. Yeah. The reason that people would carve pumpkins was to scare away any sort of sinister ghouls or witches that might haunt them in the because Samhain is when the veil between worlds is the thinnest. So ghosts and ghouls could easily get you.
Always wear pumpkin protection, guys, on Halloween.
So they did a pumpkin contest and Lindsay's won. The pumpkin is amazing. But so she won bandanas, shots, and we get a free round of shots from the bar. So best birthday ever?
The music was awesome, the decorations were insane, and we had the most amazing time.
We took home the championship crown at pumpkin carving. Things are getting out of hand. No one has puked yet. So we are going for Chinese food. We're in Chinatown, and you cannot tell from these cool things. It's starting to rain. We're almost convinced that Lindsay cheated in the pumpkin competition.
Definitely did. She always does.
We're going to Lindsay's favorite Chinese spot next.
Old Tom.
Rocky, good to see you.
Oh my god.
Youngest kid in that party turned to us, threw his hands in the air, and said, "We nearly died!" Guy Fawkes Day, man. You might know a little about Guy Fawkes Day if you've seen V for Vendetta, but basically, in 1604, this group of Catholics who called themselves the Gunpowder Plot Conspirators planned to blow up the Parliament building and kill the king in hopes of gaining more religious freedom. The plan eventually failed due to conspirator betrayal, and all were captured and executed, including one conspirator by the name of Guy Fawkes, who was the one in charge of striking the match. So, in a nutshell, Guy Fawkes Day is a holiday to celebrate a thwarted attack against the crown, and now everybody just blows stuff up in the streets. We still don't fully understand it, but man, we had such a great time celebrating. I love that nobody gives a f***. They're just lighting these things off in the middle of these duplexes and shit.
This is so intense.
I've been walking along a dark and spooky path, and along comes the palm tree, a red lit bar with ghosts out front.
It looks terrifying, so obviously we're going inside.
Do you want some Guinness?
And you know it's a good place because there's carpet in the floor. Happy birthday!
Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason, and plot. There should be no reason the 5th of November should ever be forgot.